Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are diving into a topic that often causes a lot of confusion. The difference between self-esteem and confidence. Are they the same thing? Do they go hand in hand? Or can you have one without the other? Let's find out! Because while they may seem super similar, they actually affect different areas of our lives. So stick around, because understanding this can really change the way you see yourself. First off, let's break it down. Self-esteem is how you value yourself overall as a person. How you feel about who you are, your worth, and whether you think you deserve good things in life. On the other hand, confidence is the trust you have in your abilities in specific situations. For example, you might feel super confident about speaking in public or solving math problems, but that doesn't necessarily mean you have strong self-esteem. Imagine someone who's an incredible public speaker, who can get on stage with a big smile and speak in front of 100 people without a hitch. That person might have confidence in their public speaking skills, but when they get home, they might feel lonely or think they're not good enough. That's low self-esteem at work. So, what's the key difference? While self-esteem is how you value yourself as a whole person, confidence is your belief in your ability to do specific things. Think about the story of the cowardly lion from The Wizard of Oz. The lion wanted courage and confidence to face danger, but what he was really missing was self-esteem. He didn't believe he was strong or worthy enough to face challenges, even though he already had the abilities inside him. In the end, it wasn't about learning to be brave, it was about believing in himself. Let's look at some real-life examples. You might have tons of confidence in your ability to bake the best cake ever, but still feel like you're not good enough to be loved or valued by others. That's a sign of low self-esteem. Or the opposite, you could have a healthy level of self-esteem, feel good about yourself, but lack confidence in something specific, like playing an instrument or driving a car. Self-esteem and confidence don't always go hand in hand, but ideally, we want to work on both. Having healthy self-esteem gives us a solid foundation, while confidence helps us succeed in specific areas. Think of it like building a house. Self-esteem is the foundation, the base. If you don't have a strong base, the whole house will be shaky, no matter how nice it looks on the outside. Confidence is like the rooms in the house, the different areas of your life. You might have a fantastic kitchen, but if the foundation is weak, there's going to be trouble sooner or later. So to wrap it up, self-esteem is your overall sense of worth, while confidence is how you feel about specific skills or tasks. And while they might seem similar, they're definitely not the same. If you find yourself feeling confident in certain things, but still struggling with how you feel about yourself, it might be time to work on building up that self-esteem. At the end of the day, remember that you are enough, regardless of how many specific skills you've mastered. Work on both aspects, and you'll see your life transform. If this video helped you understand the difference between self-esteem and confidence, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who might need it too. Do you feel like you have more confidence or self-esteem? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more content on personal growth. See you in the next video.